In this video, I'd like to talk about how to save money on a remodeling project, control the scale. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, when you're doing a project, you really have to be careful about the job getting out of hand or you biting off more than you can chew or afford at the time. And there are a few things that really can affect the overall price of what you're asking to be done. And some obvious ones here are removing load-bearing walls. If you remove a load-bearing wall, they're going to have to re-engineer part of that ceiling to make sure it stays up. So if at all possible, you really want to avoid that one. Changing the roof line. This happens when you build up on just one section of your house and it could change your roof line, or you're building out and it has to connect to your other roof especially if it's like a two-level addition where it has to allow a walkway between the two on the upper level. That can all change the roof line, and that can get really expensive and escalate your costs really fast. Okay, install new windows. Maybe just new windowing or adding lighting inside of a room will meet your needs, because installing new windows can affect your framing and a lot of other things, especially if they're different sizes. If you're putting in a bay window, prices can start to climb really fast when you do that. Plumbing, don't move it. Same with electrical. Use the existing lines, extend the existing lines. If a sink is in a place, against one particular wall, in a place, leave it there if at all possible. If you end up having to move the plumbing or they have to pull new electrical wiring, then you are looking at the price is starting to escalate really fast with those. So those are just a few of the things you can do to control the scale of your job and keep your costs down. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, come on over to techhunger.com/Omaha Remodelers and get the rest of the video series. We'll also be having some new free content in the coming days. Thanks a lot. See you on the other side.